Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. What is the difference between wudu and wudu? One, the waw has a fatha in the first one, and in the second one it has a dhamma. For that, we got to go back to a couple of patterns that are studied in as-sarf, in morphology. And that is fa'ulun and fu'ulun. Fa'ulun with a fatha on the fa refers to the matter or the object or the material, okay, or the substance. Fu'ulun with a dhamma on the fa refers to the actual process, okay? So that is the difference between fa'ulun and fu'ulun. So for example, a man named Ibn Dara radiyallahu an, he explained the ablution of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and when he was done explaining that, he said, فَهَذَا وُضُوءُ Rasulillahi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not wudu, because wudu is the actual process of ablution, whereas wudu with a fatha on the waw is the thing you're making wudu with. It's the object. So in this case, it's obviously the water. Okay, so the wudu equals al-ma. Okay, now there's another word. For example, waqud versus wuqud. Waqud is on the fa'ulun pattern, so it's the actual fuel. Wuqud is on the fu'ulun pattern, so it's the fueling. Okay, so you say, for example, توقفت الطائرة للوقود, not للوقود. Okay, the plane stopped for fueling. Okay, you could say fuel, but you would use a different phrase and you would use waqud. Okay, so for example, an ayah where Allah Azza wa Jal says, بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا, O you who believe, قوا أنفسكم وأهليكم نارا, protect yourselves and your families from the fire. وقودها, notice Allah Azza wa Jal says وقودها, not وقودها. The وقودها means its fuel, meaning the Jahannam's fuel, and الناس والحجارة is comprised of people and stones. And then the last word I would say, example I would say, is tuhur and tahur. Tuhur is the process of purification. So the Prophet ﷺ said, at-tuhuru shatrul iman, that purification or the process of purification is a part of faith, is a half of faith. Whereas in another time he said, وَكَانَ النَّبِيُّ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمْ إِذَا دَخَلَ عَلَى مَرِيضٍ يَعُودُهُ فَقَالَ لَهُ, when the Prophet ﷺ visited a sick person, he said, he used to say, لا بأس طهور inshallah, not طهور. Okay, no objection. لا بأس, no objection. طهور, the marad or the illness or al-humma, the fever itself, is mutahhir. It's the one that is purifying you. So it's not tuhurun, it's tahurun, inshallah. This is Abu Rashid. Hopefully that's clear. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.